Nature's cries keep whispering my name. Raindrops fall like a sad refrain. Wash the tears away without shame. Thunder rolls, but I feel at ease. Lightning strikes through the trembling trees. Silence falls like a fragile breeze, muffling all the aching pleas. Can't hear the world's lament when it cries. Drown the sorrow bleeding from the skies. Raindrops mask the pain in our eyes. Nature's softest songs in disguise. Footsteps echo on the wet ground. Puddles form where my thoughts drown. Seeking refuge yet somehow found. Solace in the silent sound. Storms rage on, but my heart stays calm. Nature's tears like a healing balm. When